Okay, dear students, yesterday we had discussed about hemophilia and color blindness. Today we are going to discuss some more other Mendelian disorders and also chromosomal disorders. Okay, Mendelian disorders are the genes, especially for mutations, the cause of the mutations in genes, especially for defects in genes, the cause of what, especially for Mendelian disorders and chromosomal disorders, the disorders of chromosomes, number of chromosomes, increasing number and decreasing the chromosomal number. That is we can call chromosomal disorders. Now we have to see the examples of Mendelian disorders. So more examples of so visible. Yes, examples of Mendelian disorders. Mendelian disorders. Disorders are cause of mutations and genes, Mendelian disorders. Whatever we discussed yesterday, color blindness, and hemophilia, hemophilia, okay, color blindness and hemophilia and thalassemia, thalassemia and sickle cell anemia, sickle cell anemia, anemia, sickle cell anemia, and phenylketonuria, 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 and albinism, 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 and also muscular dystrophy. Muscular dystrophy. These are what Mendelian disorders. Whatever mutation, the cause of genes and mutation, these are the causes of these diseases. In that, we discuss about color blindness and hemophilia. Next one more is that given in your syllabus, thalassemia also. We have to discuss it right now. Okay. These are the examples of what Mendelian disorders. Now, chromosomal disorders. What are the examples of what? Chromosomal disorders. Disorders in chromosomes. Chromosomal disorders. And chromosomal disorders are what, especially we can call Down's syndrome. Down's syndrome, the scientist name, so that he discovered only, described only, so that the name given Down syndrome. And second one is Down syndrome and Klinefelter's syndrome. Klein's Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome and Turner's syndrome, Turner's syndrome, Turner's syndrome, and aneuploidy, aneuploidy, and euploidy, and polyploidy, polyploidy. So these are what chromosomal disorder. What is the meaning of chromosomal disorder? Chromosomal disorders means what? Especially the number of chromosomes. Sometimes the number of chromosomes and number of chromosomes are decreasing. Number of chromosomes increasing. Number of chromosomes are not forming. Okay, based on the number of chromosomes, also the number of chromosomes also cause of some disorders. That is we can call chromosomal disorders. Here, chromosomal disorder examples of Down syndrome, Klinefelter's syndrome, Turner's syndrome, aneuploidy, polyploidy. So, first of all, a simple one we have to discuss about. And okay, first of all, we have to discuss about thalassemia. Okay, we have to discuss that this is the Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder. Mendelian disorder. This Mendelian disorder we can call thalassemia. Thalassemia. Okay, what is thalassemia? Actually, this thalassemia it is a group of autosomal inherited disorder. It is a group of autosomal 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 inherited disorders. Inherited disorder. Okay, group of autosomal inherited disorder. What is the meaning of autosomal? Generally chromosomes are 46 chromosomes is there. Number of chromosomes are 46. In that 46, what 44s are autosomes and 2 chromosomes, maybe XX or XY, are what allosomes or sex chromosomes. Allosomes are sex chromosomes. In autosomal disorders is cause of what? Thalassemia. In thalassemia, who are suffered with thalassemia, okay, decrease the synthesis of decrease the synthesis of beta globulin or alpha globulin or alpha globulin beta globulin or alpha globulin. What is this? Especially for in hemoglobin, these two are very important. Okay, which was especially for in hemoglobin, especially for hemoglobin A, what will be happen? Alpha globin and beta globin. Alpha globin and beta globin are very important to formation of what? Hemoglobin. Generally we know hemoglobin is useful to transportation of what? Oxygen. So it is useful for, but in this who are having thalassemia, in there these especially if alpha globin and beta globin are not formed in proper way. Okay, the reason is what? Autosomal disorder. In the problem of autosomal disorder, genes, especially for cause of thalassemia, in that who are suffered with thalassemia, in hemoglobin is made up of globule molecules. In the alpha or beta globins are not formed in proper way. It decreases the synthesis of alpha and beta globin. So what happened to them? So alpha globin, especially for, and beta globin is located, especially for 16th chromosome. Alpha globin is located, and 11th chromosome what? Beta globin is located. Sometimes alpha and beta globin are not formed in proper way. In some human beings, it's cause of what? Thalassemia disease. What are the thalassemia disease, especially for in symptoms? What are the symptoms of thalassemia disease? Symptoms of thalassemia disease. Symptoms of thalassemia diseases, especially for anemia. Anemia means what? Blood is very less blood. Okay, why? Because there is no hemoglobin, not proper hemoglobin. So that what? Especially blood is less. Okay, in the thalassemia, jaundice, and also variations in size and shape, variations in size and shape of RBC. Shape of RBC. So remember the first one is what? Thalassemia. What is thalassemia? Who are suffered with thalassemia? That means in them it prevent deficiency of what? Formation of globins, alpha and beta or beta globins are not forming in proper way. So what will be happen when these two are not forming? What will be happen? Actually, the hemoglobin is not formed in that, so that RBC shape generally biconcave, round or biconcave shape is their RBC. But RBC shape is also different. The reason in them who are suffered with thalassemia, very important, variations in RBC size and shape are also the reason of what? Thalassemia. Why? Because in that hemoglobin is not forming in proper way. Decrease the synthesis of beta globin and alpha globin or in hemoglobin. Okay, so hemoglobin is not formed, so that what they are suffered with what jaundice and anemia, and there is no proper size of what RBC and the size, and also variations in RBC, different sizes, different shapes it will be visible. RBC, the reason of what, especially for the reason of anemia. Okay, anemia is the one of the disease. Now we are going to discuss about chromosomal disorders. What we have to discuss? Chromosomal disorders. If you observe the chromosomal disorders, already I am told the chromosomal disorders. Examples of chromosomal disorder, aneuploidy. Okay, aneuploidy. What is the meaning of euploidy? Already I am told. Euploidy means what? Okay, euploidy means what? In human being, the number of all in one species, the number of chromosomes are same in one species. Euploidy meaning very important. Euploidy meaning what? If, for example, in human being, in all human being, in one species, number of chromosomes are same. In human being, number of chromosomes are 46. That is we can call what? Euploidy. Here the word given uneuploidy. Uneuploidy means what? Addition or deletion of one or few chromosomes. Addition or deletion of one chromosome. So generally number of chromosomes are 46. Sometimes who are suffered with aneuploidy, in them the number of chromosomes are 45. Sometimes the 47 is also. So that decreasing and increasing, addition and deletion of what chromosomes, chromosome one or few chromosomes from diploid sets of chromosome. In diploid sets of chromosome, generally diploid sets of chromosome means for 23 pairs, any chromosome is missing, that is we can call unploidy. Any chromosome is missing or any chromosome is adding. Okay, addition and deletion of chromosomes in a diploidic cells. Okay, that is we can call unploidy. Next one, polyploidy. Poly means so many. Polyploidy. Polyploidy. What is the meaning of poly? So many. Polyploidy. The addition of one or more sets of chromosomes. Addition means what? Adding. Addition of one or more sets of chromosomes. More sets of chromosomes. Addition of one or more sets of chromosomes, especially for, okay, that is in genomic, especially that is you can call polyploidy. So poly means so many. Sometimes what will be happen, it exhibits more sets of chromosomes. Here single chromosome, it is sets of chromosome. Sometimes it is showing, that is we can call polyploidy, euploidy and polyploidy. Okay, we have to take one example of what unploidy. Example is what? Down syndrome. What we have to discuss? Down's syndrome. Down's syndrome. Especially for defect of disease, especially for Down's syndrome. In Down's syndrome, especially for, was discovered by John Langdon Down. Described by John Langdon. Okay, John Langdon, and described about what? Down syndrome. What is Down syndrome? Down syndrome is also called trisomy. What we call, and also called what? Trisomy. What is the meaning of trisomy? Trisomy means what? In 21th pair of chromosome. Generally 21th pair. In human beings, what number of chromosomes are? How many pairs? That means the chromosomes are paired. 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, 4 pairs. Like that, 5 pairs, 6 pairs. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. In 21th pair, what will be happen? 21th pair, the number of chromosomes are X. Number of chromosomes are extra chromosome is there. Trisomy. What is the meaning of tri? Tri means 3 chromosomes. Trisomy. So, in which chromosome is 3 number of chromosomes are 21st chromosome. Generally, in 21st chromosome, what? 21st chromosome, paired chromosome, 21th pair. But in the 3 chromosomes. Generally, 2 is there, but it is having what? 3 chromosomes. That is, we can call Down syndrome, or especially for trisomy. Okay, due to an extra chromosome number. This is an extra chromosome number, extra chromosome number in 21st pair. 20 21st pair having what? Extra chromosome. That is, we can call trisomy or Down syndrome. Okay. In trisomy, it is represented by trisomy. Trisomy is represented by, showing by, represented by 2n plus 1 or 2n plus n. Okay, 2n plus 1 and generally one pair is there, 2n. Okay, 2n plus, it is showing what? One more extra, 2n plus 1 or n. 2n plus 1 you have got. 2n plus 1. Okay, this is what? Extra chromosome. Showing what? Extra chromosome. That is, we can call what? Trisomy or Down syndrome. Okay, generally what are the symptoms of what? Symptoms of, symptoms means what? Who are suffered with what? Trisomy, who are suffered with Down syndrome. Why the name given Down syndrome? He only discovered. Who? The discovered scientist name is John Long Down. He only discovered, so that is called especially for what we call trisomy. We can call especially for. Okay, children, especially if you observe a fold of skin over the inner cornea, inner corner of cornea, a fold of skin in inner cornea. Especially in children, if we have observed these type who are suffered with what? Down syndrome, in inner cornea, a folded skin is present. Why? Because the cause of extra chromosome. Okay, that is the one symptom of what in children we will observe that symptom. And face is flat and round. Their face is also flat, like okay, Japan's, okay, like flat and round. Face is flat and round. Okay, their face is what? Who are suffered with flat and round face and flat nose. Anybody having flat nose? Okay, their nose is also what? Flattened. Okay, flattened inside. Okay, it is okay, flattened. Okay, almost all it is okay, merged with face. Okay, flattened face, round face, and round face for flattened face, and also nose is also flat. In cornea, okay, folded skin is visible in cornea. These are the symptoms of what, especially for Down syndrome, and some more symptoms also is there. And mouth open, tongue protruding. Mouth open and tongue is protruding. Protruding. What is the meaning of protruding? Means what? Especially for always they are keeping their mouth in, like open, like this. Okay, tongue is protruding means coming outside. Okay, so these are the symptoms of what, and also what? Poor skeletal development. And poor skeletal development. The skeletal system is also skeletal development, poor skeletal development, and short hands. And short hands. Okay, these are the symptoms of who are having trisomy. What is the meaning of trisomy? 3. 3 means what? Especially in 21st chromosome having what? 3 number of chromosomes are 3. So that is we can call trisomy. If you observe the trisomy, in that who are suffered with trisomy, in there we will observe fold of skin, especially for in cornea in children, and also flat face and flat nose, and tongue is protruding out, and mouth open mouth, and also hands also very small. Okay, and skeletal system is also not developing in proper way. Okay, these are the symptoms of what Down syndromes are, trisomy. Okay, next one after trisomy. Okay, we had right here, just 1 minute. Okay, after trisomy, next one, Turner's syndrome. What is that one? The next one, the Turner's syndrome. Especially, this is also example of what, chromosomal disorder. Okay, Turner syndrome. The scientist name H. Turner. The scientist name H. Turner's described what? Turner's syndrome. Described what? Described Turner's syndrome. Okay. Here, what is the meaning of Turner's syndrome? Actually, this is also called X monosomy. X monosomy. Monosomy. That means X chromosome having only one. That means we learned already unploidy. Unploidy means what? Addition or deletion of chromosome. Here what happened here? X chromosome in mono means single. So person with Turner syndrome have 45 chromosomes with only one sex chromosome. Who are suffered with what? Turner syndrome. The person with Turner syndromes, persons with Turner syndrome themselves having Turner's with what's, especially for Turner syndrome, have 45 chromosomes, have only 45 chromosomes, 45 chromosomes, 45 chromosomes with only one sex chromosome. With only one, with only one sex chromosome. One sex chromosome. Try to understand here. Actually, sex chromosome. Okay, X. Okay, only one sex chromosome. Only X only. Generally, sex chromosome 44 plus autosomes plus XX chromosomes is there in female. But here only, okay, especially for only one sex chromosome is visible in this who are suffered with what Turner's syndrome. What Turner's syndrome? Turner's syndrome. Okay, how they are showing means what? Generally 44. This is the we are seeing in a normal person. In normal person who are suffered with what Turner's syndrome in them 44 plus X 0. That means okay, X is what? Only one chromosome, one sex chromosome. One sex chromosome, one more sex chromosome is absent. In who are suffered with what? Especially for Turner syndrome. The genotypic is represents what? By 44 plus. This is what genotypic. That means in their genes represents what? Especially genotype is represents what? 44 plus X0. X0 means what? That is what? One more chromosome is absent in them. And what are the symptoms are who are suffered with what? Turner syndrome. Who are suffered with Turner syndrome themselves having symptoms. What type of symptoms we will observe who are suffered with Turner syndrome? The symptoms are female webbing neck. Female, especially we are observing female webbing neck. What is the meaning of webbing neck? Actually, webbing neck means what? We know goiter, a simple goiter is increasing the size. Like this here also, okay, the size is what? Neck is just like a increasing web, okay, just a forming tissue. Okay, webbing neck in female we will observe, okay, low posterior hair lining, low posterior hair lining, and we will observe one more important one. Secondary sexual characters are, okay, secondary sexual characters are, okay, not developed. Secondary sexual characters are not developed. So, secondary sexual characters secondary sexual characters are not developed. Okay, why secondary sexual characters are not developed? Why secondary sexual characters are not developed means what? In genotype, in there only having one chromosome only. Other chromosome is absent. So that in there secondary sexual characters are not developed. There is not developed female characters. Totally not developed female character. Little bit missing of some female characters. That is what, especially for Turner's syndrome. What we call this? This disease is called Turner's syndrome. Okay, here especially for the person having what, 44 plus X only, missing one chromosome. Here in Down syndrome, one extra chromosome in 21st chromosome. Here 45th chromosome. Okay, especially 44 after that one 45th chromosome having what, especially for only one pair only 46th chromosome. So here 44 plus 45 X is there, 46th is missing. Try to understand. 46. That means who are suffered with Turner syndrome, in that number of chromosomes are Mansi? Turner syndrome, who are suffered with Turner syndrome, in that number of chromosomes are 45 chromosomes only. One chromosome is missing. One chromosome is missing. Okay, that is we can call Turner's syndrome. Okay, next one, Klinefelter's syndrome. Last one, Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome. Okay, here who are suffered with what? Klinefelter's syndrome. Due to an extra chromosome here. Due to an extra chromosome. Due to an extra chromosome. One more extra chromosome. X chromosome. One more X chromosome is extra. X chromosome is present in their body. Who are suffered with what? Klinefelter's syndrome. Okay, in XY male, generally in male chromosomes are sex chromosomes are showing what? XY. In XY in male, generally who are suffered with what? Klinefelter's syndrome, in their XY plus X. What is X? That is what? 40. Okay, this is extra chromosome is present. Extra chromosome. So, who are suffered with Klinefelter's, Mansi, who are suffered with Klinefelter's, in that number of chromosomes are, who are suffered with Klinefelter's, in them number of chromosomes, are 47. Why 47? Generally chromosomes are sex chromosomes in male XY only. But here one more extra is there. X chromosome extra is there. So that 46 plus 1, 47 chromosomes is there. Who are suffered with what? Extra chromosomes. So here in male only we will observe Klinefelter syndrome. Turner syndrome in female, we will observe Turner syndrome. One chromosome is less, here one chromosome is extra chromosomes, unploidy. So here the symptoms, what we are observe the symptoms. Symptoms what suffered with what? Klinefelter syndrome. In them, what type of what symptoms we will observe? Tall, thin, who are suffered with what? Klinefelter syndrome. They are very tall, very thin, and poorly developed secondary sexual characters. And poorly developed, secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters, poorly developed secondary sexual characters, and also their testes also very small in size. Testes also very small in size. Try to understand Klinefelter's syndrome. Klinefelter's syndrome means what? The number of extra chromosome. One extra chromosome is adding, okay, to sex chromosomes. That is Klinefelter. We are observing male, especially for in which chromosome is added? One extra X chromosome is added. So X is a female character. So what happens? Secondary sexual characters are not developed in male who are suffered with Klinefelter syndrome. And Turner's syndrome, if you observe the Turner's syndrome actually in female, one chromosome is less, sex chromosome is less, XX only X0. Zero means what? Zero indicates that our chromosome is absent. That is, you can call especially for Turner's syndrome. Okay, this is what especially from chromosomal disorders and Mendelian disorders. What we are discussed about Mendelian disorders we are discussed about. One is what? Okay, color blindness and hemophilia and thalassemia, and especially for chromosomal disorders we can call aneuploidy, polyeuploidy, especially for sets of chromosomes also double sometimes, and also next one what? Down syndrome and Turner's syndrome and Klinefelter's syndromes. Thank you.